torque converter bolts are in, and that's them there through the timing pinhole. And obviously to get to that, engine mount needs to come out, alternator and arc pump needs to come off. You probably could get to it without doing all that, but it makes it a hell of a lot easier. Right, next step now, get the starter motor in, get the alternator on and the arc pump on.
That's it.
There. Oh, get in there. Here she goes. Here she goes. 15, isn't it? What's going on there then? Oh, there's no movement in that mount for some reason. Oh, there we go. That should be starting now.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah, that from there, right?
I got him.
And get them two.
Stormed ahead without you a little bit. Arc pump is on, alternator is on, power steering pipe's connected. Obviously, as you can see, the fan belt is on as well. Just need to find the bracket for this pipe onto there, the other half of it. I think it's in amongst all that lot down there. And then I think looks like we're ready for the radiator to go in. Right, what you've just seen was Monday. Today's Wednesday. I've got Sid with me. There he is.
Right, guys.
Right, what we're up to now. I found that little bracket on there, so he's done. We come around the back. Heat shield's on. Heat shield on. Crossover pipe is on. Exhaust is on that side. Exhaust is on that side. I'm not sure you can see that. Just trying to stretch across. Shield down there for the fuel pipes is on. I've replaced the vacuum pump gasket because I just loosely bolted it on with the old gasket, and I wanted to make sure there was a new one in there because you don't want to be changing that with the body on. Right, so next is the radiator, and then it looks like the body can go back on. So I think we're pretty much at that stage now. So I'll stick the camera on a tripod and we'll get the radiator in, which is an absolute pig's guts. So you're going to watch me struggle with that now. Right, need to... Just lay it flat. Somehow or other, we'll just get some of it on. Right, and that has got to go. So that goes off the top like that, onto that.
What's the spaghetti what or what? What's the spaghetti?
And there's those oil cooler. I think we should just lean in there, but just drop it in. Yeah.
All the pipes that come out of the pumps, mate.
That's right, we'll get them in.
You sure?
Yeah. Now, we've got a wire trapped here.
Got it?
No.
No?
No. That's it, I got it. That one on there. And one there. Right. No, you can't see it, can we? We can't
No.
get in.
Because
When we took it out, we had it right forward
had
and
it
tilted
lying
down.
flat.
Yeah.
Had it lying flat too while you were doing the W.
I can't remember. That one went on there. That's the expansion ball. That's got a clip into there when the radiator goes in. And there is some cooler. One goes on there. And there is another one. That one goes on there, down there. Which I'm going to have to do from underneath. Right, let me get these for that. That goes onto that. Yeah. That one goes onto the big, wherever it is. It goes over the top of this to the airbox. So it goes next to that one. Right,
That's it for there, isn't it?
grips thing.
That's it, isn't it?
Yeah.
By the expansion of that. Grant, you don't need lights now, but buy some magnetic ones.
So I took this off and I didn't need to. No.
That's not that big.
Yeah, it is. Pretty sure it is.
There's another one here as well, a smaller one.
Okay, yeah, drop it on the thing now.
Yeah.
I might be able to do it from underneath, I think it'll be easier. Okay. Oh. It's now Saturday. Radiator is in, and it took a fair few hours to sort out all them pipes for that. Front cross beam is on. We are now ready to drop the body on it. What was that that flew out then? Oh, that's green now.
How far are we?
We've got another 4 inches to go.
You like that?
I know. Wait. What?
Up.
Go. Drop down.
Go.
Yeah.
Down?
Yeah. The chassis, it's definitely got to roll back a little bit.
How much?
Not fucking lot.
Ah.
You went there.
About there, I reckon.
Yeah.
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 That's good.
Right, okay, just drop it to that.
See where?
So it's just this thing clipping in here. Right, we're virtually on it, dropping down. Right, you can see it's on.
What's that? So you're training the books in then, is it?
Yeah.
Happy days. I know, I put on that first time. I said that.
So there we are, body is on, all 10 mounting bolts are in. Right, start connecting things up now. Okay, stormed ahead without you. Front panel is on. All the electrics in there is all sorted. Everything in there is connected up. Brake pipe is on. All the wiring routed, plugged in. Earth strap is on there. Same on this side, multi-plug is in there, brake pipe connected, ABS sensor connected, Just got to put the wheel arch liners in. Wiring harness is connected in there. Wheel arch liner is in. Brake pipe is connected. And the ABS sensor. Can't really get around there because of all the crap, but the fuel filler is in. Brake pipe connected. Wheel arch liner in on that one as well. So we are not far away from turning the key. Yeah, getting very close now. That is going to conclude this one. Time is getting on. I've been here all day, all afternoon, since about 1 o'clock. It's now 7ish, something like that, and I've had enough for one day. But yeah, she's getting very close to starting. So next episode, she should be running. So until then, I'll see you next time. Look after yourselves.